Hey everybody, it's Mr. Odom, and this is the last lesson in Chapter 9, Cross Sections of Three-Dimensional Figures. So before we start, we're going to do a little reflection, and here's our quote from Florence Nightingale. I attribute my success to this. I never gave or took any excuse. So we'll pause the video for a moment so that you can reflect and write your thoughts down in your composition book or your journal. If you want to share with me, you totally can. I appreciate that, but you do not have to. All right, so the video will pause now. Okay, we're back. This lesson's pretty quick. It's pretty straightforward. Students typically get this really fast. So if it seems like I'm going fast, I am. All right. So you need to understand what a cross section is. Okay, what is a cross section? Well, let me get a pen here. What is a cross section? And describe what happens when you have a three-dimensional solid that intersects with a two-dimensional plane. So here's kind of a drawing. You have a rectangular prism, and consider a plane slicing through the solid. You can think of the rectangular prism like Jello or something, and the intersection could be a knife cutting through it. All right. The intersection of the plane and the solid is a two-dimensional shape called the cross section. So in this example, the diagram shows that the intersection of the plane and the rectangular prism is a rectangle, right? You can see that right here. That's a rectangle. When I have this plane intersect the rectangular prism. All right, so let's look at some examples. So the video is going to pause, and you guys are going to tell me basically the purple shape that you see, because that is the intersection of the plane and the three-dimensional object. So the video is going to pause now. Okay, we're back. So what'd you get for A? Hopefully you got a triangle. It's pretty easy to see that. Okay, what about B? Yeah, that looks like this looks like a rectangle to me. That looks like a triangle. So hopefully you saw that. And then for C, yeah, yeah, that's another triangle, right? Okay, and that's really it for cross section. Okay, there's not much more to it than that. And so you guys, typically students do well on this section. So I'll stop the video so that you can ask me questions, and then we'll be back in a moment. All right, so we're back. And so, hey, it's been fun working with you. This is a quick video. This is Mr. Odom. And let's see, what do I usually say? Oh, I'm out.